Hi everyone, Melanie here from Bbohe. Today I'm going to show you a brief demonstration of how I make a pair of my Lush slippers. So to start off with, we have our Alpaca fibre bats. These are a natural cream coloured bat, so that will form the basis of the felt slipper. And the first step is we get our template and then we lay the fibre out, starting in one direction, and then we go in opposite directions. So here I am laying out the fibre, making sure I overlap and cover the template. So we do that acrossways, and now I'm going to do it vertically. Making sure I cover the gaps. Now I'm going to do this 2 more times on this side. Alright, I'm just finishing the last layer on the last slipper, and I'm about to cover it so I can wet it down. Some more water. Loving my new water spray gadget. It's really fast. Hopefully I'll be offering these for sale on my website. Soaping it down again. Okay, now I'm pressing it. Get all the air out, but not rubbing too much because we don't want to felt it yet. A bit more water on this side. Okay, gently remove, and then we turn over, and then we fold over against the template. Same with the other side. Okay. Don't worry that it's all bumpy. There'll be no bumps at the end. Okay. Now the next step is I put the silk chiffon on, so we add some interest, and I'll keep going with that